Hey guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to another episode of House Hunting in Jamaica. I am Mara Ophelia, your Jamaican girl, and for this video today, for this episode, we took to our open tower at 19 Roehampton Drive in Kingston. These units are 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom apartments at 1,700 square feet, going for 40 million Jamaican dollars. At the time of visit, they had 3 units left, one on each floor, and it was quite easy to locate as it was just about 10 minutes up from PriceSmart. So to start it off, you would have seen that the apartment has an underground parking, and upon entering the house, we walk straight to the living area, which for me is quite a huge amount of space. And as you notice, it also has a powder room located right to the back of the living room, easily accessible by your guests. So the apartments are still under construction, well, putting in the fixtures, etc. But the realtor stated that these apartments are expected to be completed by the end of December or in December. Well, they're stated to be completed December of this year. So as you can see, these are the fixtures currently in the living room. As I said, they're still working on certain aspects, but I think it is a decent amount of space, and it's an open concept living, dining, and kitchen area. To the back of the kitchen, you'll notice that they have the facility set up for your washroom with a sink, and the area there located for you to put in your washer and dryer, which I think is a decent size for a washroom on an apartment building. So we already took a look at the powder room, so we're just going to head around to the master bedroom. And let me tell you guys that I was in love with the size of this master bedroom. It's a decent size walk-in closet, shelf space there for you to put what you need to place on shelves. But trust me when I say the master bedroom is a decent size, and as the realtor said to me, I'm a tall person and the ceiling is very high, and that means great circulation of air. Lovely. I absolutely love the size of the master bedroom. So this is a bathroom, decent size. I think the window might be a little bit small, but for an apartment it works. And you can see decent spacing. They did do standing showers, glass showers. Still under construction, but not looking bad so far. So hopefully the view I'm giving you here, just trying to let you see the width or the size of the master bedroom, will do some justice. It has, the windows are, you guys know I like a lot of ventilation in terms of my window space, but these are decent sized windows, and you will notice it has a slide door here that opens to a little balcony at the side of the master bedroom. For that space there, you might be able to do some planting. You can probably set up an outside little patio, little sitting area for yourself. You can do your own little thing to your own little apartment. So as I said, it's a 3-bedroom apartment, so we're moving to one of the other 2. Decent sized room as well. I'm not sure what exactly the measurement is for the other bedrooms, but it also has a closet with a glass door, so saves you on space in adding additional mirrors to the room. And I think it had one window, but a decent sized window as well, so you will get a lot of air, a lot of circulation coming in. And you have the option of installing AC units should you need to do that as well. So this bathroom is a bathroom that would be shared by the 2 other bedrooms. Also a standing shower, glass shower, and I think it's also a decent space for a bathroom. And I absolutely love rain showers, so you know that this was one of the top things for me as well about this apartment. Bedroom 3 seems to be about the same size as bedroom number 2. Has 2 windows and the same concept in regards to the closet with the glass doors added touch to the room. Again, very high ceilings. You know, I love that about places. I am tall. I want to be able to stand on my bed and still not touch the ceiling. So this was a plus for me, of course. So the realtor then took us to the roof for us to be able to see the entertainment area. He stated that the wide area there would have a door and all the other sections would have windows. The stairs that is located right here will take you to the infinity pool, and on the opposite side there would be more entertainment area. So this stairs will take you up to the infinity pool, and all that section that you're seeing below there would be covered up. So to the side there as well, he stated that there will be wooden facade and grill work done right around. And for the apartment, as you can see, there is the view of both the developed and not so developed sides of Jamaica, but I really don't think there's anywhere that you can go that you won't be able to see that. As you just saw as well, there will be a bathroom located upstairs, and there is a second entrance to the side that can also be used. That will take you directly to the roof as well. So we just went to the side of the pool area there where we were better able to see the views that would be there and what the size of the entertainment area would look like. From the roof, I was able to see a glimpse of New Kingston, a lot of view of Upper St. Andrew, and I think I saw St. Catherine. Based on the realtor, you also said we were able to see St. Catherine. You're able to see as far to the sea, and it's a lovely view up there. He added, however, that after the facade is up, you might not be able to see your immediate neighbors, but I don't think that's much of an issue. But definitely from the pool that will be there, you'll be able to have a great view. Noting, however, even though the pool will be an endless pool, it still had some space between the end of the pool and the edge of the building for safety reasons. So guys, that's where I will end the house hunting video for today. Definitely hit me up with a thumbs up if you like this video, and leave a comment down below if you want to see more videos like this. Of course, if you want or are interested in any of the 3 units left in this house, if they're still available, then definitely contact VM or Remax for more details. So until next time guys, continue to be your most authentic self and stay naturally. Bye.